then it will be automatically there on our conversation, okay?
Yep.
Okay.
I,
Hello, Rocio, how are you doing today?
Fine, thank you. Tired.
Great. Yes, me too. Me too. Any news from Gustavo?
Gustavo, I don't know what happened.
Oh my goodness.
I
Don't worry. Let's get
was
started.
thinking last
He
time.
will, he must be rushing and he will join us. He will be rushing and he will join us at any minute, okay? So don't worry.
yep.
Okay. So you guys have the opportunity to watch the two videos about debates that you were sent.
Yes, I did.
Okay, Rocio, what about you?
Yes, teacher.
Super. Okay, great. So as far as you guys should remember, those videos are about debates, right? The first video was about the one of the guys speaking about the vocabulary used in the debate, and in the other video was using all the 25 words, remember? Used in all kinds of debates. Is that correct?
That's right.
All right. So, what do you guys prefer? Would you like to watch the video again now? So while we wait for Gustavo?
Yes, I agree with that. We can wait. We can watch those videos again in order to be clear
Okay.
while
Thank you,
she
teacher.
connecting.
And agree too.
Okay. So I'm gonna send you guys a link so you guys can watch it. All right. And that way we can give Gustavo some time to arrive. Okay. There you are. He's already sent. So remember that this one is about how to prepare for a debate. Okay. I want you guys to take a look at it. I want you guys to, there you are, you already have it. I want you guys to take a look. I'm going to turn off my microphone, and as soon as you guys finish, you can give me your opinion about it, okay? This is only 5 minutes, 40 seconds, I guess. So let's do it. Watch it and let me know as soon as you finish.
Okay, teacher, I have already finished the first one. Can I continue with the second one or?
Do you want to do that right away? Do you want to watch the second right away? That would be perfect.
Okay, I will.
What about you, Rocio? Would you like to watch the second video right away? Rocio, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so you don't you
The
mind
first.
watching the second video right away too, so you can refresh?
Yes, teacher. But in this moment, I'm watching the first.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Continue watching the first, and right after you finish, you can watch the second, okay? And Christian, you can go on and watch the second right away.
Okay, thank you.
No problem, and you let me know, Christian, and Rocio, when you guys are done. But remember to take notes, okay? Take notes, especially on the second video, because you guys have to give me the most remarkable words that you remember that the guy mentions, okay? So take notes as much as possible. Catch you in 15 minutes.
plan in place, something that you tend to think out beforehand. What is the method that we are going to use? For example, we use the scientific method to acquire new knowledge. Observation, experiment, observation, and confirmation. The scientific method. Number 21 is occur, and this is something that happens or takes place. For example, we can say that the event only occurs in winter. That is when it happens and takes place. It occurs in winter. Number 22 is potential, and this is something that could possibly happen, but maybe it might not come to pass. It has potential. For example, he is a terrific athlete and he has the potential to win the race. So it is something that is likely to happen, but it might not come to pass. He has potential because he's a good athlete. Number 23 is primary, and primary just means the first of importance. And there are a couple of synonyms for primary, such as chief or principal, but it just means the first of importance. So for example, we could say the primary cause of failure was the lack of organization. There were other things, but this was the primary cause. Number 24 is range. Now, this is the upper and lower limits between which a number, an amount, or type of something may vary. So, for example, we could say our price range is between $2,000 and $4,000. So, 2,000 is the lower limit, 4,000 is the upper limit, and anywhere between that is our range. Number 25 is significant. It is an adjective that means something of
Okay, teacher, I finished.
Okay, excellent, excellent. Give me your opinion, Christian, about the first video on how to debate.
Okay, the first video was about some important things or tips to make a debate. Yes, I agree with the guy who was talking about uh, the debate because you have to search for argument to support your ideas. You have to take a different point of view.
Great,
So, sorry.
excellent, good.
Okay, that's right.
Anything else to add about it?
Teacher, again, your transmission is broken.
Already, can you hear me better?
I'm sorry, I can't understand to you.
Can you hear me better now?
Okay, now it's better than the last one. Can I continue with my idea?
Okay, continue, yes,
Okay,
continue. Sorry.
okay, don't worry, teacher. Okay, like I said before, you have to support your argument from different point of view. I mean, from the legal point of view, social point of view, how the topic impact on our reality, in order to be prepared to do a proper debate. The other thing that it's important to do it is your expression, how to connect your idea in a proper way in order to be better. That is all, teacher.
Excellent. Rocio, what about you? What can you tell us about the first video on how to debate?
Okay, in this video, I can learn a lot of topics. The first one is the knowing that you must to do about the topic. Yes,
Mhm.
Eh, there is to some advice. For example, that you must to have two arguments per team. Maybe research in the currently situation and in addition in the environment situation. It's too important
Okay.
knowing about the impact that is in society, the topic that you are talking about. Yes. Other
Okay, great.
thing that yes, teacher, can you hear me?
Yeah, the last we
Listen.
didn't hear the last
Ah, okay.
part.
Okay. The last part is I forget the idea. Related with the argument content and teamwork. Yes, maybe with
Okay, great.
30%.
Now,
Yes.
Christian, what are the words that you remember?
Okay, okay, teacher. After that, I forgot something important about the first video. You have to
Okay, tell us.
yes, you have to support your ideas in an with official information. It means you cannot support your ideas using, for example, Wikipedia. You know, it is not official information.
And it's not reliable. It's not reliable, right?
Yes, that's right. Okay, the second
Great.
one, the second video, the teacher or the person who showed different words related to academic environment that we must learn because we are in this environment now. Obviously, I took note of all of them. The majority or more of them that I have already known what is the meaning, but I underline two special words that honestly I don't know how to apply in the contest. The first one is investment as a noun and major.
Okay.
I think.
Okay, what would you like to know about them?
Well,
How do
obviously,
you use them?
yes, it's important to learn the meaning and how to use it in a proper context. For example,
Great, great, great. So
major,
those were the only two words that called your attention.
yes, because rest I understood the rest of words.
Great, great, great. Hey, Christian, are you recording the conversation? I'm sorry.
Yes, yes, of course, is recording
Okay,
right now.
super, 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 excellent. Okay, so but are you clear with the meaning of those two words?
No yet, but I will looking for the meaning because I watch it in the video, but I would like to get a better research to
Okay,
get
great. For the word investment, for example, if you really want to be a successful person, you have to know how to invest your money. So if you have if you already have a company and you want the company to do better, you have to increase the level of investment that is money, right, that you're using for your business. Okay.
okay, right. Thank you.
And what is the other word? What was the
Eh,
other word?
major.
Okay. For example, pollution is one of the major problems that our planet is having now. Okay?
But it's related to a negative things. I understood that, no?
Exactly, that's right. Because, for example, when you hear the word pollution is
Mm-hmm.
like the high level of pollution in our planet right now is very terrible. So it's like a
Yes.
major problem. Those are the most terrible things that we're dealing with right now. It's like a massive problem today.
All right. Okay, can I use this word to compare, so to make comparison, for example? No?
Yeah, you can. Yes, of course.
Ah, okay.
Yes, you
Okay.
can. No problem. It all depends on the topic that you're describing, right?
Yes. Okay, teacher, understood.
Good.
Thank you.
So what are the other words, Christian, that called your attention from the second
Okay,
video?
okay. Honestly, most of them, or the majority of them, I know how to use it. For example, the word conclusion, it is one of the main pillars, right, to academic environment, no? Because we use most everywhere. I mean, in a formal task, or when you are going to construct your argument or different, or
Mhm.
your speech, for example, or when you are going to conclude something like now.
Okay. What about you, Rocio? What are your five words?
Okay.
Teacher, really, I was watching other video about
Okay.
debate vocabulary. Yes,
Mm,
And
I
what are the
found
five
or I
words that called
found
your
the
attention?
yes, teacher. I found the link in my email. It's debate vocabulary.
Okay. All right. So what are the five words that called your attention?
Okay, in this video, there are four specific topics. The first is when you start a debate. Um, and the next is I need to say something now. Uh, the third you haven't replied yet. And for finally, the debate. For the reason I think that is different that the Christian was talking.
Yeah,
Yes,
because you were
it's
supposed to
very
watch two
different.
videos. The second
Yes,
video
there are.
was
Yes, I'm going to
continue.
develop a debate. For the reason I know that is the same, isn't the same.
It
yes.
isn't the same. Okay. So maybe you misunderstood because I sent you the link for you to watch it again. That's weird. About the 25 questions used, in debates.
Yes,
Okay, but
teacher.
it doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter. Do you guys have any questions about debates or comments to make?
No, more like a comment. You, from my point of view, you have to be sure about your information. As a consequence, you must to look for official information about the topic, because if you are not sure about what are you going to debate, yes, that's right. Then you have to use correct connections or connector idea. Yes, like Rocio said, she watched the video that was sent by Gmail for the teacher Liliana. I watched the same video too. But on the other hand, the second video, like I click by the chatbots, it is helpful. Help it can help to us in order to improve our vocabulary about the academic words list.
Okay, no problem. Now let's begin to debate. You guys had the opportunity to get together during the week, right?
Well, I didn't talk with anybody, but I
Oh
can
my goodness.
I read
So how How are you supposed to prepare the debate for today? You will remember that you guys were supposed to choose a topic that you guys were supposed to debate about. But it doesn't matter. Rocio had the opportunity to talk to Gustavo last night, right?
Yes, by
And
WhatsApp.
what topic did you guys choose, Rocio? Can you please tell me?
Uh, Teacher, only we were reading about the questions that I shared in our Skype chat. Do you remember?
Not very well. Can you please be more specific?
Yes. In the last class about part fourth. Yes, do you remember the question? Which is
Exactly.
more important for young
Yes.
people? Yes, it's about these topics, but really
Okay.
we didn't choose any specific topic, only talk.
Okay. No problem. No problem. Right now, Rocio and Christian, I'm going to share with you two, okay, one question. And you guys have to base your debate on that. For example, Christian, you're going to be in charge of the pros, and Rocio, you will be in charge of the cons, okay? I can see that you guys didn't get together, so that's not a problem because you guys are smart enough to hold a conversation about whatever topic, okay? Okay, so the question that I want you guys to debate about is which is more important to teach people? A sense of team spirit or individual initiative, and why? Oh no, let me give you a better question. Wait. Forget about that one. This is more controversial. Some people think that school does not train young people adequately for the world of work. Do you agree? Again, some
Teacher,
people think that yes. Tell me, Christian. Do you have any?
yes, your transmission is broken. I'm sorry, could you
Okay,
speak
okay.
slowly,
So let
please?
me let me let me copy the question. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Can you hear me now? Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, teacher, I can. I am reading right now. Some people